This is Albert L. Production.
Hi, so you know what makes me paranoid? Words with silent letters.
But if you can't hear the letter, why is it there?
I'm gonna fucking die. But what the hell is that sound dance?
Oh wait, maybe it's gone. It's gone. What is that sound?
I'm sleepy.
Yeah, it says you're gonna get sleepy, but it says it's really important that you don't sleep. It says one of the serious side effects is that you may become a loser on the internet. You can't open it. Just press down and I am. It's childproof. But I'm not a child.
I need a better evil laugh than that. Yeah, on that pleasant note and disappointing laugh, I will let you go. I hope you've been well. I'll see you in 3 days. Bye.